Hi friends, Andrea here with a new video for Hip Kit Club. Today is Cut File Tuesday and I will be making a layout using the May 2021 Hip Kits and a couple of pattern papers from our April kits. For the mixed media part of this layout, I'm using one of the shimmer sprays that we got also in one of our previous kits. So I'm starting with just cutting my white background at 11.5 inches just so I can get a border with the pattern paper, and I used another pattern paper for my cut file. I am now creating a second layer using one piece of vellum, and I'm gonna cut it leaving an edge, leaving a border between my cut file and the vellum. Alright, playing with it a little bit, I'm bringing it back to have a clearer idea where I want it on my layout. That is the photo that I'm using, and I'm going to do some fussy cutting here from the cutout page. That's an Amy Tangerine 1. I'm going to get some of the pieces fussy cut. Including this one, which is going to hold my journaling. Okay, I'll set that aside. And I'm happy to have a new sewing machine, so now I can add the machine stitching details on the border of my background page, and I'm adhering it to the piece of pattern paper. Now, since we are going to add some mixed media onto this background, you just have to be careful with, if you're going to add a background piece, just remember that if we don't prepare our page with any gesso or anything, we are going to get some bubbles on our page. So as long as that does not bother you, or that you find a way to hide it, you can see all the marks, and that's from the gaps where my double-sided tape was not there. So you can be either really careful covering your page on the back, or maybe make sure that you prepare your page with some gesso. Now, there was a lot of fussy cutting happening there. All I did was get some of the butterflies same color in the two different sizes that you can find on that Paige Evans page. And I'm adding double-sided tape only on one side of the vellum, just because I know that part is going to be almost completely covered with my photo, my title, journaling, and embellishments. I'm adding now some layers on my photo, and using double-sided tape. I still don't have my double-sided tape runner, so using what I have on hand. Set all those things apart using my paper trimmer to get that border. And I'm doing the same thing now to get a white border, and then we'll repeat the process with a blue piece of pattern paper, also from the Wonders collection by Paige Evans with American Crafts. Right, I know that my photo will be there, and I will just add a piece of foam just to raise it off the page and get some dimension there. I'm going to add also tiny strips of double-sided tape on the smaller butterfly and adhere them to the big one. Right, and now comes the time to start adding some of the embellishments. Using some mostly the Pink Fresh Studio embellishment. And I'm using the foam stickers from Jane Hatfield that we got in our May kits for my title. I ended up placing it down there. And then I'm looking for the fussy cut pattern paper pieces that I'm going to use for journaling, and I'm going to use a few more on the left side. I think I did not, my phone wasn't on, so you won't see all of the decoration process, but I have a short video in the end just showing you the end result of the page. Okay, right now I'm playing with the placement of the butterflies, and I believe this is as much as the video is gonna let me show you. But it's basically, that's exactly how it looked. I ended up adding that cluster on the left side to add the date the picture was taken. I added a couple of Pink Fresh Studio stickers, one banner from the Wonders collection by Paige Evans, added the butterflies and some enamel dots to finish the page. Well, this is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to check the blog and the Facebook group today for more inspiration on this Cut File Tuesday. And please let me know if you have any questions. I hope your May kits are already with you. If not, keep your eyes open because they are on the way. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. This was Andrea for HipKit Club, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.